So we got a new build. It's for benefit, not a benefit, but for benefit makeup. They want to go loud, a little throwback to the 70s. So we're looking at a van that's from like that 70s vibe. Their blushes that they're releasing are a lot of pinks, so it's gonna be very, very bright. I think this one will be fun because it is a little bit of throwback with a little bit of modern twist to it. For the guys, I think it'll be something different for the shop. So we found a great van, which we thought was a great van until we got into it a little bit deeper. The good news is half the fabrication was done since it has a gull wing door already on the side, but the texture that's on the paint, from the pictures, it looked like it was just a light blue van, looked like it was in great shape. We sent Jay to pick it up. We got it back and it had a whole bunch of texture that we had to find a way to get it off because it's only being wrapped. You can't wrap over that texture. So we really have to bring it down to basically a paint style level, getting all the texture off, primering it, and then we're gonna have to wrap.
All right, we're T-minus 48 hours, and that's a short 24 hours of what's about to happen overnight, and then the finishing of everything. So they were measuring and finishing the back wall, where it's gonna be the pop-up part of the van. It's gonna have drawers on the bottom, a mirror in the middle, a neon sign on the top. They're building all that out now and finalizing it before it goes to upholstery. And then on the opposite side, they're building the lounge. So benches are in upholstery, the back wall is gonna be painted, and we're still working on the final steps for the flooring and then the steps themselves to enter into the van. So we've got a lot of work to do. There's gonna be a lot of tired people, but we'll hit it again and reach back out to you guys in a little bit.
Christmas came early today. We got a cool ass laser, Thunder laser. This is the Nova Plus. I love it because of the size of it, the power of it. Everything that we could do is just, my mind is just going nuts with everything that I want to do already. I don't think I'm gonna be in the wood shop no more. Now, for all these upholstery guys, new innovations and all that stuff, leather engraving, and it's now available. Come through, come see us. So now we're gonna go ahead and try to finish those hearts that we gotta do for the benefit van. Stay tuned, check this out, the way it works. You guys are gonna love it. Wow, voila.
We knew it was gonna be a hassle. It's proven to be. Right now, I'm on top of a table. We got different tools, DAs, grinders, you know, paint stripper, whatever it takes to make sure that we could get this off. It's a challenge, but we're almost done. We pretty much finished everything with the paint job overall. Everything else, all the big stuff, all of that's done. Finally, you know, I feel great. It's been a hard process. Lots of parts, lots of details, but we got through it, we pushed through it, and you know, looks dope.
So the van's come along good. The guys have been working really hard. The texture obviously set us back a little bit, but they're making up some time now. What's left is we got to wrap it, get the upholstery done, and finish the wiring so we can get this van on the road.
Do a little test run, make sure all my pivot points are gonna work. So now the next move is to build all this out into thicker pieces and go get it under the car.
So first of all, I want to say thank you to Power Base Audio. They come through with us one more time at the last minute. All of this equipment that we got right here is actually gonna go to the benefit van, the Pinky van. You know, it's gonna be a good one. I'm gonna have some Marine Tower speakers on the bottom of the vehicle, so when they're outside doing a demo, they could actually have a nice, clean sound outside. And for the inside, I got some Pro Audio 6x9 speakers, which is gonna rock in the inside of the van. I'm gonna be powering everything up with a 4-channel amplifier and a bass amp right here. Stay tuned, this is gonna be cool. Thank you guys.
So we're about 24 hours from the deadline. Of course, like every deadline, everyone's trying to work on it all at once. This van isn't that big, so people are on top of each other. A lot of chaos going on, but ultimately the van's looking amazing. Kind of brought us back into our history of, it looked like a Pimp My Ride build a little bit. You know, the plush carpet, the mirrors, the lighting, the colors, the style. It's just that vibe. So I think overall it was a fun build for the guys. Right now they're pushing it across the finish line, but there's a lot of work still left. Client's gonna be here, stay tuned.
The pink. Oh my god! Oh my god! Love it! So good! My god! Oh my god, it's so good! Oh, the neon! Oh my god. I love it. It's like next level, like beauty and then car. It's just like amazing. Oh my gosh, it's speechless. I think we came up with the idea to be a part of Coachella, and how do we kind of do that and be disruptive in a way that no one has done before. You know, we knew West Coast could do something insane, and here we are coming up with these ideas and saying like, can you do this? Can you do that? and then seeing it in reality is insane. But literally from render to reality, it looks exactly what we were talking about, exactly like the render. I think, you know, West Coast definitely is not kind of known for the beauty, the girly rides, you know. I think it's kind of for the boys, let's be real. And I think this is kind of for the girls. So I think it's gonna get a lot of looks.
I love the van. This perfectly brings to life our launch, our very colorful and pink launch. It is perfect. I have no words.
Every time I'm like, let's do this. I want heart windows. I want this. Can you do smoke? And you're like, yes. I'm like, yes. So sick. Really just blew it out of the water.